Nice to be accompanied this Friday on Sky News Weather. Well, a major rain, storm and flood event is underway across the southeast. It's due to a developing low-pressure system. First, I'm going to start by highlighting the current flood watches that are in place across the south. So we have flood watches in place for every river catchment in Victoria, apart from the Glenelg, the Cann and the Hovels. We also have flood watches in place for the southern and central western river catchments in New South Wales, and also the south and north Esk and Huon river catchments in Tasmania. Our low-pressure system is also driving in the threat of flash flooding. We have a warning out for all districts in Victoria and through the southern inland of New South Wales. Let's kick start with the satellite imagery behind me. As you can see, this thick blanket of cloud cover, which is blanketing southern and parts of eastern Australia, basically the whole of Victoria and Tasmania right now, is of course our developing low-pressure system. We can see our trough quite evidently on my forecast isobars. That is our low-pressure system, which is developing right over Victoria today, and also driving in showers and thunderstorms to interior parts of New South Wales and of course Queensland. Once again, you can see that L forming just above Victoria there. That is what is driving in this flooding rainfall right across the south. And in terms of the radars overnight, well, we've had some good falls across South Australia. Murray Bridge over 20 millimetres, Cape Border has seen 20, Adelaide itself notching up just over 11. We've had a brief respite in the showers across South Australia, but as you can see, they're just starting to redevelop, and a road weather alert has been issued for you in Adelaide, so please be careful on the roads. In terms of our radars across Victoria, you can see we had a bit of rainfall over the course of the early hours of Friday morning. We're just starting to see those really heavy showers redevelop across western parts of Victoria, where Horsham has seen over 20 millimetres in the gauge. Geelong right now seeing a heavy shower roll through. These are our totals since 9 a.m. So you can see we've had 13 millimetres at Adelaide, Horsham nearly 26, Ballarat 21, Melbourne hasn't collected anything just yet. That will change into the day, and Warrnambool has had around 15 millimetres. We've also had a few light falls across Tasmania. Again, they'll be becoming more widespread for the afternoon and evening. Here's our low-pressure system as it slowly tracks east. We do have showers, heavy rainfall and flash flooding developing right across Victoria, the southern inland of New South Wales, and of course the northern regions of Tasmania. The bullseye of this event is really on Saturday, where you can see that heavy rainfall redeveloping right across parts of Victoria, southern New South Wales, even extending into central and eastern districts of the state. You can see there by my forecast rain. Showers will be mostly clearing from South Australia across parts of the southeast, but for the time being though, we'll be really monitoring this severe weather event as it unfolds. Live updates with the current radars. Right now we do have showers redeveloping right across Victoria and South Australia as this rain event kicks off. If you need to get in touch with the SES, the number to call is 132 500. It isn't just the southeast that has seen rainfall. We've also had showers across Queensland. They have been heavy at times as well. It's due to a coastal trough, onshore winds. The heaviest falls today are really lining up across Bowen, between Bowen and Bundaberg. Harvey Bay notched up over 70 millimetres in the gauge now. We've also had areas around Brisbane, southern suburbs collect over 60. Lismore sitting on 24 millimetres. The Sunshine Coast has also collected over 20. Bundaberg has seen around 26. Lighter falls across the northern tropics. For today, we have the chance of showers and possible thunderstorms about the central east coast. Heaviest falls will be around Bowen to Bundaberg. We also have the highest chance of showers developing with isolated gusty thunderstorms in the southwest. That is from our low-pressure trough. And let's not forget New South Wales. Heavy showers and thunderstorms developing across western, central and southern regions. Flash flooding is likely, and as I touched on a little earlier, with those flood warnings for the southern and central western regions. Temperatures. It was another warm day across the southeast. It's hard to believe it's the first day of summer. We haven't spoken about that once here at Sky News Weather because we've just been focused on this extreme weather. For today, we still have a humid northeasterly, which is filtering on through the eastern inland and much of Victoria. You can see that dark peach shading showing temperatures above 25 degrees. But fast forward 24 hours, take a look at that southerly, which is sweeping through. Hobart struggling to reach 14 degrees. Adelaide is 13 degrees below what they hit on Thursday, and we have below average temperatures right across southern Victoria. With the increase in cloud cover, the rain, the showers, the thunderstorms, temperatures will be plummeting. It's looking like a cool and very wet weekend. Stay indoors and stay safe.